This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. It's Tuesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Well, most of the day's major stories center on the cost of oil. The U.S. trade gap narrowed by 4.1% to $56.8 billion in June on record exports and a decline in non-oil imports. Meanwhile, imports rose 1.8% to a record $221.2 billion, largely because of the record $117 price for a barrel of crude oil. Chain store sales for the week ended August 9th rose 2.6% from the year-ago period. On a week-over-week basis, sales dropped 1.1%. Meantime, crude oil futures fell early today on the news that Russia's president has ordered an end to military operations in Georgia, easing concerns about oil supply disruptions in that region. The International Energy Agency said oil prices will remain high despite the recent drop and are weighing on demand, especially in developed countries. The global energy watchdog said in its monthly report that it's too early to say whether the recent fall in oil prices is the beginning of a longer-term trend. A J.P. Morgan analyst reports that the nation's airlines could return to profitability next year, thanks to falling oil prices. J.P. Morgan raised its ratings on AMR Corp, Alaska Air, Delta, Continental, and U.S. Airways to overweight. The firm also raised its rating on Northwest, but downgraded Southwest Airlines. And General Motors Corporation releasing new, more fuel-efficient versions of its full-size pickup trucks and SUVs later this year. He's calling it the XFE, or Extra Fuel Economy Vehicles. We'll get 1 mile per gallon more in both city and highway fuel economy than non-XFE versions, 1 mile per hour more. Scheduled U.S. economic reports on Wednesday include the July retail sales report, import prices for July, and inventories for June. Earnings news, Fossil reporting its second quarter profit jumping 71% on currency exchange rates and higher international sales. For the quarter, net income rose to $25.1 million, or 36 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 25 cents. G&K Services said that it earned $10.6 million, or 55 cents a share. Analysts expected 52 cents. And Watson Wyatt Worldwide reporting its profit rising 32% in the fiscal fourth quarter. Watson Wyatt earned $41.7 million, or 95 cents a share, beating the analyst expectation of 80 cents a share. Earnings on Wednesday, Deere & Company, Brocade Communications, Macy's, BioVale Corp., ING Group, Tribune, and Liz Claiborne. Stocks in the news today, McDermott International reporting second quarter net income rising to $177.5 million, or 77 cents a share. Napster saying its first quarter loss was about $4.38 million, or 10 cents a share. And Goldman Sachs downgraded to hold from buy at Deutsche Bank, which cited the firm's high exposure to equities in a down market. And that is the Market Wrap on this Tuesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.